Computer Science, Chapter 1, Functions. Book question, Part 2. Choose the best answer. This is one more questions. The small section of code that are used to perform a particular task is called subroutines or file or pseudocode or modulus. The answer is subroutine. Which of the following is a unit of code that is often defined within a great code structure? The options is subroutine, functions, file, modulus. The answer is function. Which of the following is distinct syntactic block? Subroutine, functions, definition, modulus. The answer is definition. The variable in a function definitions are called as options is subroutine, function, definition, parameter. Answer is parameter. The values which are passed to a function definitions are called options is argument, subroutine, function, definition. The answer is arguments. Which of the following are mandatory to write the type annotation in the function definition? Curly braces, parenthesis, square bracket, indentation. The answer is parenthesis. Which of the following defines what an object can do? Operating system, compiler, interface, interpreter. Answer is interface. Which of the following carries out the instruction defined in the interface? Options is operating system, compiler, implementation, interpreter. The answer is implementation. The functions which will give exact results when same arguments are passed are called options is impure function, partial function, dynamic function, pure function. The answer is pure function. The functions which cause side effects to the argument passed are called impure function, partial function, dynamic function, pure function. The answer is impure function. Next, move on to part 2. Answer the following question. 2-mark question. What is a subroutine? Subroutines are small section of codes that are used to perform a particular task that can be used repeatedly. Next question. Define function with respect to programming language. Answer is a function is a unit of code that is often defined within a greater code structure. A function works on many kinds of input and produce a concurrent output. Next question. Write the inference you get from x equal to 78. If x equal to 78 is a function definition, the definition bind value to names. Hence, the value 78 bound to the name x. Next question. Differentiate interface and implementation. Interface and implementation. Interface just define what an object can do but would not actually do it. Implementation carries out the instruction defined in the interface. Which of the following is a normal function definition and which is recursive function definition? First question. Let rec sum xy return x plus y. This is recursive function. Next one, let disp print welcome. Normal function. The answer is normal function. The last one, let rec sum num. If num not equal to 0, then return num plus sum into num minus 1. Else return num. This is recursive function. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.